Understanding blending mode, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English language topic, blending mode. This phrase might sound technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, making it easy and enjoyable to understand. So, let's get started. Blending mode is a term often used in graphic design and digital art. It refers to how two layers of images, textures, or colors interact with each other. Imagine you're mixing colors in a painting. Blending modes determine how these colors merge or affect each other. It's like a recipe for creativity. In English, the phrase consists of two key words, blending and mode. Blending means combining or mixing together, and mode refers to a particular way or method. So, blending mode essentially means a specific method of mixing elements together. This concept isn't just limited to art. It's a principle you can find in various contexts, like cooking, music, and even social interactions. Let's see how blending mode can appear in everyday scenarios. 1. Graphic design. Artists select different blending modes in software to achieve unique visual effects. 2. Cooking. Chefs blend ingredients in specific ways to create delicious dishes. 3. Music. Musicians mix sounds and rhythms, much like blending modes in art. These examples show that the concept of blending in modes is everywhere. And that's a wrap on blending mode. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and shown you how it's applicable in various fields. Remember, English is not just a language. It's a window into countless worlds of knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.